The Manipur State Home Department has issued guidelines for the fifth phase of the ongoing COVID-19 lockdown, detailing sectors, activities which have been exempted and which are still prohibited. Manipur Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu issued an order to this effect on Monday, June 1. According to the order, curfew would be imposed in Imphal City and other district headquarters from 2 p.m. to 5 a.m. on all days till June 15, subject to further review depending on the situation. In respect of other areas, there will be curfew from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. till June 30. It's said that there would be a complete lockdown and curfew in all containment zones as notified by DCs concerned till June 30. Activities prohibited from June 1 to June 30 throughout Manipur are all interstate bus services and district public transport except those permitted by Home Department. All auto rickshaws, taxis, wingers and similar public transport. School, colleges, educational training coaching institutions shall remain closed. Hotels, restaurants and hospitality services, cinema halls, shopping malls, gymnasium, swimming pools and similar places will be closed. All social, political, sports, entertainment, academic, cultural, religious functions, other gatherings and large congregations, all religious places, place of worship shall be closed for public. All saloons and spas and all three markets in Imakaithel and retail shops in Ngari Gali to be remain closed. While activities permitted from June 1 to 30 throughout the states included all activities related to essential services, health-related activities, social sectors, movement of cargo and goods, online teaching, commercial and private establishments, finance sector, public utilities, fisheries. And all central and state government offices shall be open. All officers of the rank under the secretary and above shall attend with minimum required staff. The Centre on May 30 has also Christian Lockdown 5.0 as Unlock 1.0 to ease the restriction in 3 phases. Hotels, restaurants and other hospitality services and shopping malls will be permitted to open from June 8. Schools, colleges, educational, training, coaching institutions will be open after consultations with states and UTs in Phase 2. While allowing international air travel, operations of metro rail, cinema halls, gymnasium, swimming pools, entertainment parks among others will be decided based on the assessment of the situation. Movement of the individuals to be prohibited between 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. throughout the country except for essential services. Earlier, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh announced extensions of the ongoing statewide lockdown till June 30 in a view of the rapid rise of the COVID-19 cases in the state. As of June 2nd, Manipur has recorded 85 confirmed cases of COVID-19, including 74 active cases and 11 recovered patients. Bureau Report.